Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. So this is the one we're going to be doing today. My client wanted this nail set but without the white lines on the tip. This is what it looks like. So let's just go ahead and get started. I already have prepped my nails with my tips. I double tipped there. I did also the clear acrylic on the natural nail. So now what I'm basically doing for the pinky finger, I'm adding a white tip because this is going to be a ombre. It is going to be added for the pinky, and I'm also going to add it for the middle finger. So basically I'm just adding this to pinky, middle finger, and I believe, yeah, that's it. So these two fingers are going to have the ombre, which is I'm using this Untitled Beauty white color acrylic, and I think it's I don't know the name of it. I think it's No White. I think I'm not sure exactly. Oh wait, baby powder. There you go. It's called baby powder by Untitled Beauty. And then I'm also using this pretty nice acrylic from CV Nails. This CV Nails is from a downtown LA store. There's their brand, and it's a really pretty nice like peachy pink color. So now what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna also top it with a clear acrylic layer just to kind of seal the deal or whatnot. I'm gonna be doing this to all my pinky. So I'm not one of those persons, guys, that is able to do a one ball method of acrylic. I suck at it, and I have to do like a gang of balls of acrylic, if you know what I mean. I have to add so many balls in order for me to get the perfect structure nail. So basically I do a lot of them, and you're gonna see here how I do small ones, big ones. If I feel like I need more on one side, I turn my nail to the side, and then I just add it wherever I feel the need of adding the powder to make my structure of the nail perfect. That's all I'm doing for the pinky. So basically I'm going to do the same thing for the middle finger, which is the ombre. So yeah, basically I'm doing the same thing I did to the pinky, to the middle finger. Here, as you guys can see, I do kind of go all the way down with that pretty nice like nude color, and then I kind of easily like take it off before it dries out on me. So just to make sure it doesn't look ugly, I want it to look super blended or whatever. I am also applying a clear coat to seal the deal also here. And I'm just doing the same thing I did for the pinky, guys. Like I said, I'm not a pro, guys. This is my work. This is how I do nails. I don't have a lot of clientele, but I do have my loyal customers. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are watching here, thank you guys so much for being my loyal customer and just supporting me like always, guys. Thank you so much. So basically for the index finger and the thumb, I'm gonna be adding this pretty nice peachy color, the nude color. I forgot to record the part where I was adding it on the pointer finger, which is the index finger. I forgot to record that part, but basically I did the same thing I'm doing here with the thumb. Basically just adding the color and then also adding a clear coat of acrylic to kind of seal and structure my nail. So yeah, so you won't have to waste a lot of the product as long as you have the pigmentation that you want, and this top it off with a clear to kind of make the structure of your nail better. And of course I do use more than one layer of coat, a lot of balls, of coat of acrylic, clear acrylic, just because I'm not one of those that know how to do that one method bead or whatever. Maybe in the future I'll be better at it, but right now I'm practicing more and more, guys. I feel like the more I practice, the better I get. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing here, guys. Just basically adding my clear coat. Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna add my clear coat and just make my nail as thick as I want. So that's all for this part. So let me keep going. All right, so here I'm basically showing you guys that I'm adding the clear acrylic on my index finger, just because I didn't record the part with me applying the color on there. So I'm just applying this to make the structure of my nail thicker and just make it look nice and whatnot. So for the other finger that's gonna come up right now, I didn't record that part, but I did apply a off-white on the top of the nail, and then I added this Valentino glitter on the bottom. You're gonna see right now what I'm talking about. So basically this is the finger, this is the ring finger. I did add the Valentino and the off-white, and then I did top it with a clear acrylic. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do here is basically just shape my nails. And it's gonna take me a while because these are super long, and you know when you have super long nails, my acrylic tends to fall down on the sides a little bit, so I do have to make sure my nails are super nice and straight and cute and whatnot. They're not the perfect nails ever, guys, but I tried. You know, this is what I came out with. I do have a hard time with super long nails like this, but I think I kind of managed it. Basically, I'm just gonna overdo it and file, keep filing, because yeah, I want to just make my nail tips look nice. My nails, actually, not nail tips, not my nails look cute. Here I'm just looking at how bad my glove looks. It looks crappy because I did touch the gloves with acetone and also monomer, so that's why they look super yellow like that. I'm gonna take it off because it grosses me out. I don't think I'm gonna take it off right now, but maybe later. So this is what I basically do. I'm just gonna keep on shaping, keep on shaping, keep on shaping, and just basically hold the nail so you won't hurt your clients. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be doing here, basically just shaping, and keep on motherfucking shaping. So now here I'm just gonna grab my sanding band on my drill, and I'm gonna shape my nails with this. I did use that gold, I don't know if you can see the gold bit right there a little bit, but it was giving me like a lot of streaks or lines or whatever, so I just did it a little bit, and then I just started doing with this one. I feel like with this one it gives me a perfect nice nail shape, and also I don't need a lot of filing, so I feel like this was the perfect bit for that, just the sanding band. So that's all I'm doing here, just sanding all my nails so they can look cute and whatnot. This kind of takes forever, but I do kind of focus a lot on all the nails, guys, and I'm sorry it takes forever, but this is what basically I do. And it is a faster in a faster setting. That polish has right there is my Soleil rhinestone glue. I asked my daughter to bring it from the refrigerator, so that's what that is right there. She is gonna want some rhinestones on the middle finger, so I'm just gonna add those rhinestones later. But basically that's what I'm doing here, shaping my nails so they can look cute and cute. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and reshape the nose, just so to make sure that I didn't get no, you know, little lines, or I redid it with the buff with the sanding band. And then I'm gonna also go on top of my nail with my file, because I want to make sure I didn't miss any lumps and bumps, just to go through it. So if you guys are having a hard time on shaping, guys, just make sure to go through it, like on the soft part of your nail file. Go on top of it and just go like a few times to the top, on the top of your nail, just to kind of make it look more even and more cute or whatnot, so your nail will look cute. So this is all I'm doing for this part. So now all we gotta do is buff my nails. We're buffing with the sanding block. I make sure to clean the bottom of the nail also with the sanding block, just so I could take off the excess under the nail. So basically that's what I'm doing here, just making sure my nails are super buffed or whatnot, so I can apply my rhinestones, then my clear top coat. So basically that's all I'm doing here. Alright, so now we're just gonna dust off, and then we're gonna apply our alcohol. This is our 91% alcohol with 75% alcohol pads. I do get my pads from Dollar Tree, guys. Yes, and I like to clean my nails with these pads. So here I'm using the Glamour Nail Supply Glamour top coat. It's a diamond top coat. It's a really good top coat. I love it. It's super thick and super glossy. It gives it the perfect nice finish on the nail. And I like actually using this for when I apply like foils, or when I apply also like any nail stickers. I do like applying this top coat to my nails, but these nails I feel like they needed an extra oomph, so I did apply this top coat because it is super shiny and it gives me a good finish. So I really like it. So I didn't show the part where I put the rhinestones, but I just put rhinestones on top of this nail, the middle finger. And now I'm just making sure that my top coat's on top and in the bottom. And I'm sorry I'm out of focus here, I know. Just make sure when you guys do apply your top coat or your gel finish or whatever, make sure you guys wipe the sides of your nail and the tip of it. Just wipe it down so you could keep the shape of your nails going, because you do apply your gel finish or your top coat and the nail does become thicker and the gel does slide to the sides. So just make sure to clean off the sides and the tip. That's a good tip for shaping. It's helped me out, so it could probably help you guys out too. I hope it does help you guys out. So yeah, basically this is all I do for this nails. So now we're basically just applying our cuticle oil here. We're using this Pure Ice cuticle oil. I got this at Walmart. So it's a really pretty nice cuticle oil. And then here, yeah, I'm just going to add the cuticle oil. She likes a lot of cuticle oil. She loves cuticle oil. So she told me to put in her knuckles because her knuckles were super dry or whatnot. But this is what they look like, guys. I hope you guys do like this video, and please give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. I'll be glad to, let you guys know how I feel, what it is, what I do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Thank you. Bye.